Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MOSY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Doing the state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today. Sure, the price pulled back a little bit, but from the grand scheme of things, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and that's what you want to see. Big picture perspective, as long as the price is building higher lows, then that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So let's first start by talking about some levels of support, and specifically the ideal level of support. So if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be $1.15. So if $1.15 can continue to hold, and I use the word continue because there's actually already been a one time where the bears tried to press down below there, but the bulls said, no, that's enough. So if that can continue to happen going forward and the price stays above $1.15, that would be a huge sign of power. Now, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything. That would just be that ideal situation. Next level of support after that, down at $1.05. So $1.15 and $1.05, two of the near-term levels of support. But taking a step back and looking at really the grand scheme of things, the big picture, it's all about that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So from big picture perspective, and in regards to measuring the health of the current price movement, the overall move, simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves forward, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the majority of the sellers seem to be hanging out right there around the $1.33 mark. Seems somewhat random, but and I realize the price did go up above that mark, but on the same token, the price actually did not hit it a couple of times. So I'm just trying to split the difference and find that middle ground, and that is at $1.33. All in all, though, very nice day. Good solid volume. It'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow and see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.